Good day, sir. I am Renz Rafael Rodolfo and I explaining the VMware installation and how to use. So the first, sir, is we download Win10 or VMware installation. We use this application to run VMware Windows 10. Next one is we open the VMware file and we extract in download files. We open VMware and click next until Windows begins installing. After installation, we open settings and go to about, and we see a red message stating that Windows must be activated before you can personalize your PC. And next we go to Windows Update. The PC shows that no updates are available. Then we proceed to firewall and network protection. Under Windows Defender Firewall, you see checkboxes for both private and public networks. And finally, we go to storage and settings to view disk usage and available space. Local drive is stored on the PC or internal disk. The pros is fast access, no internet needed, and the cons is vulnerable to hardware failure, thief, or malware. External drive save to USB external, HDD, or SSD. The pros is portable or easy to use, offline protection, and the cons can be lost or damaged, requires manual connection. And the last one is cloud backup, stored on remote servers via internet. The pros is accessible anywhere, automated, resilient, and the cons is required internet subscription, cost, data privacy concern.